Hey friends, you watch YouTube videos and feel motivated for 2 days, and on the third day, you're back to zero? Is this happening with you too? I have wasted a lot of my time like this. It was when a very tough phase was going on in my life. I was in a state of depression, anxiety, and when I had a lot of complaints about my life. I used to consider myself the most unhappy person on this planet. And then the same things would happen to me as I believed. The things around me would be the same. So if you think that by watching YouTube videos you will get out of this loop, I'm sorry, this is not going to happen at all. What is the reason? The reason is that look, if a person has a fever, its treatment will last for 4 or 5 days. They will give antibiotics, painkillers, meaning we will handle things very carefully from the beginning. On a similar basis, depending on how big your problem is, how intensely you feel things, or how much love you have for yourself. Some people are like this because perhaps we are not told from the beginning. We are not told in school, in college, in the family, how important our emotional and mental health is. So perhaps we will spend 5,000 on clothes, on a phone, on shoes, on a purse, on makeup items, but we will not spend that same 500 or 1,000 rupees on our mental health, on our emotional health, or to gain some experiences. For example, if I die today, I will look back at what was good in my life. When I look back, I will not see which phone I had, whether it was an Apple or an Android, or which laptop I had, which brand of clothes I had, or which car I had. No, I will see, wow, how were the experiences in my life? Yes, I was very happy in my home, or I was very happy with my partner. I enjoyed a lot with friends. My college life was great. Meaning what you have experienced, what experiences you have had, what you experience on a daily basis, that decides the quality of your life. So if you are watching YouTube videos on a daily basis and you are under the impression that your life will change because of it, then it won't. The reason is that you are looking for a cure for a big widespread illness with a small painkiller. Whereas you properly need antibiotics, you properly need multivitamins, you properly need a good diet, you need a good routine to cure that illness. But what are you doing? You are taking a small painkiller, a small dopamine hit from there that you watched someone's video. You will be able to relate to it for 2 days. And on the third day, you yourself will forget because it has no utility in your life. So if you want to bring some results in your life in the long term, if you want to become a more sorted person, be happier, do your work well, maintain an optimistic attitude for the future. Why do people commit suicide? Because they start believing that. Their daily experience, on a daily basis, they feel so much pain, feel so isolated, rejected, disappointed, that their vast experience convinces them that nothing good can ever happen in their life. They should die. This is the best option. Why? Because their experience has convinced them. So no matter how much you explain to them, if you force them and tell them this and that, they will not believe it because they already have a huge experience of negativity. Therefore, sorting them out, telling them, making them believe is a very complex and complicated task. But if you want to improve your life, if you want to get out of this pattern, then first of all, tell yourself that this is a task, this is a choice, and this choice is very challenging. For so many years, you have felt a particular type of emotion. For so many years, you have felt a particular frequency. You have lived in a particular toxic environment. You have kept your thought process such that you are a victim. You sought attention outwardly. You sought validation from outside. The world you have created inside yourself that you have built is very divided. It's very empty. There is no abundance there, no happiness. There's no hope there, no hard work. So if you want an alternative life that you deserve, currently the life you are living, you do not deserve it. But it is the result of your choices which we have indirectly chosen while living on autopilot mode. Because perhaps our environment would have had an effect on us, our home environment would have had such an effect on us, or overall we would have consumed such content. They would have been past karmic accounts, whatever it is. But we still have the option to change our present today. But that will happen only when the frequency changes from within. When you start believing from within that yes, change can happen, and to make that change, you don't need to do very big things. It is called self-engineering.
Inner engineering, meaning you are working on yourself. You are choosing alternative things. Let me give you the smallest example. The smallest thing that will make you feel good. One is to sit down to eat randomly. But another is to give yourself a good treatment. For example, you went to take a bath properly, bathed well, then you dressed yourself up nicely, then you sat down peacefully, luxuriously, and ate your food by appreciating it, tasting it. The experience of both is like day and night. There is a huge difference between the two acts. On that same basis, if you want to bring your life back on track, then first instill this in your mind that this is not a small task. Where a person's body is sick, its treatment takes 5 days, 10 days, 7 days for a minor illness. For illnesses like knees, back, you have to take antibiotics for 6 months. And if there is some other disease, then long-term treatment is required for it. Here your life is sick. You have no hope inside. You have no light inside. You have no self-confidence. You have forgotten your self-worth. You are not able to respect yourself. You are not able to put in the required effort that you should. So you really need a treatment. You need it. Otherwise you will remain stuck in this loop. And you will have a false hope somewhere that I will do it. But you will not be able to stay in that pattern for more than 3 days. You will watch a video today, stay motivated for 3 days, then back to square one, back to zero. Because that is only changing your external emotions, which are short term. You are getting a short term dopamine hit. But for the long term, you have to change your inner frequency. You have to choose the alternative choices and options available to you. This is why meditation is the only way. The thing that helped me get out of my rotten routine, my rotten emotions, the victim mindset, and the feelings of helplessness. And when I healed myself, when I came out of my challenges, when I healed myself, because of that healing, I was able to take this positive step that today, in the domains of my life, whether it's my personal life, my professional life, my studies as a student, I am doing well. And I'm hoping well. I have an optimism which is not based on some fake dopamine. This is why I want to tell you that if you are not able to get into that zone, then help is available. I conduct healing sessions, I conduct meditation sessions, whatever your need is. Whether you need sessions for a week, you will need 21 days of healing, you will need sessions for a month. That depends on your requirement. It depends on how long you have been feeling emotions of what quality, how compelling your life situation is, how will you get into a new routine, how many days of mental training you should have, how many days of emotional training you should have. Those sessions are customized such that which affirmation will work for you, which meditation will work for you. Will we do guided meditation, or will we invite the divine, or will we write letters to our past to let go, or to invite the future? Will we set the frequencies for the future? There are multiple modalities which will help you, which are designed to help you. So if you are serious about your life, if your life has value in your eyes, then please go for this option. You will be proud of yourself when you look back that you chose the right option for yourself. Otherwise, this rotten story will just keep repeating like this. You will keep scrolling through YouTube videos like this, which is known as doom scrolling, which will make you more depressed, which will make you full of anxiety. So please have some self-love. If you need help, go for help, because your life is precious. This is the most beautiful, most precious thing for you. And it should be. It must be. Thank you. Get well soon.